AFCI, or arc fault circuit interrupter, protection is required in all bedrooms per the 2020 National Electrical Code, Section 210.12a on. This requirement applies to new bedroom additions even if the existing electrical panel is an older type. If you are adding square footage to an existing bedroom without making any changes to the wiring, AFCI protection is typically not required. However, if you are undertaking a bedroom addition that also involves upgrading the electrical panel, AFCI protection is required for all bedroom circuits. In the case of a bedroom remodel, the requirement for AFCI protection depends on the extent of the work being performed. For a minor remodel such as new flooring or painting, AFCI protection is generally not required. However, for a major remodel that involves opening up walls or rerouting wiring, AFCI protection may be required. In this instance, it's crucial to consult the National Electrical Code for specific guidance to ensure compliance with local regulations. AFCI devices are designed to detect arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can lead to fires. They work by monitoring the electrical current and tripping the circuit breaker when an arc fault is detected. Arc faults can occur for a variety of reasons, such as damaged wiring, loose connections, or faulty appliances. By installing AFCI protection in bedrooms, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires and protect your family. When considering electrical work, firstly, ensure you have a permit if required. Secondly, consult with a qualified electrician for major electrical work or if unsure. Thirdly, always de-energize the circuit before working on any electrical components. Fourthly, test the AFCI protection after installation to ensure it is working properly. Fifthly, use the correct size and type of wire for the circuit. Sixthly, properly tighten all connections to prevent loose connections. Seventhly, protect wiring from physical damage. Eighthly, avoid overloading circuits. Ninthly, regularly inspect electrical cords and appliances for damage. And tenthly, replace any damaged electrical components immediately. Understanding these aspects will allow for the correct steps to be taken. Arc fault circuit interrupters are special types of circuit breakers that are designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arc faults. An arc fault is an unintentional electrical discharge between two or more conductors. Arc faults can generate a lot of heat, which can ignite flammable materials and cause a fire. AFCI breakers are designed to detect arc faults and quickly shut off the power to the circuit, preventing a fire from starting. There are two main types of AFCI breakers: branch or combination AFCI breakers and outlet branch circuit AFCI breakers. Branch or combination AFCI breakers provide protection against both series and parallel arc faults. Series arc faults occur when there is a break in a single conductor. Parallel arc faults occur when there is a short circuit between two or more conductors. Outlet branch circuit AFCI breakers only provide protection against parallel arc faults. AFCI breakers are required in many areas of the home, including bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, and hallways. The specific requirements vary depending on the local electrical code. When installing AFCI breakers, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. AFCI breakers should be installed by a qualified electrician. AFCI breakers can help to protect your home and family from electrical fires. Here are some of the benefits of AFCI breakers. They can help to prevent electrical fires, they can help to protect your home and family from injury, and they can help to reduce the risk of property damage. If you are considering installing AFCI breakers in your home, talk to a qualified electrician to learn more about the benefits and requirements. Here are some additional details to consider for AFCI protection. Arc fault circuit interrupters must be readily accessible. Arc fault circuit interrupters must be installed in a location where they are protected from physical damage. Arc fault circuit interrupters must be installed in a location where they are not exposed to moisture. Arc fault circuit interrupters must be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. If you have any questions about AFCI protection, consult with a qualified electrician. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a set of standards and guidelines for the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. It is updated every 3 years by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA. The NEC is not a law itself, but it is often adopted by state and local governments as their electrical code. This means that electrical installations must comply with the NEC in order to be considered safe and legal. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It also includes specific requirements for different types of occupancies, such as residential, commercial, and industrial. The NEC is an important resource for electricians, contractors, and anyone else who works with electrical systems. It helps to ensure that electrical installations are safe and reliable. Here are some of the key benefits of following the NEC. Firstly, it helps to prevent electrical fires and other hazards. Secondly, it ensures that electrical systems are installed properly and safely. Thirdly, it provides a consistent set of standards for electrical installations. Fourthly, it helps to protect people and property from electrical shock and damage. Fifthly, it can help to reduce the risk of liability for electrical contractors. The NEC is a complex document, but it is essential for anyone who works with electrical systems. By following the NEC, you can help to ensure that electrical installations are safe and compliant with local codes. If you have any questions about the NEC, consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector. Furthermore, AFCI protection is crucial for safety, particularly in bedrooms. Ignoring these requirements can lead to dangerous situations and potential code violation. Make sure to stay informed about the latest NEC updates and consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work to ensure compliance and safety. Understanding the specific requirements of the NEC is essential for anyone involved in electrical work, whether it's a new installation, an addition, or a remodel. Arc fault circuit interrupters are constantly evolving and improving. Stay informed about the latest technological advancements in AFCI protection to ensure the highest level of safety for your home and family. If you are unsure about any aspect of AFCI protection, it is always best to err on the side of caution and consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess your specific situation, provide expert advice, and ensure that your electrical system is safe and compliant with all applicable codes and regulations.